This is my everyday pick set. It's got all my major picks that I like, and I added a couple of new toys. I know it's getting a little crazy here, but I use it. I got the snap-on pry bars, the mini pry bars. I've already used this one to make some money. The Knipex, I love that. I've used that a couple times to grab some broken keys, or actually I used it, a cylinder was cracked in half, and I put this in there, it opened up, and I think you saw a video on that. I've had this forever. It's the snap-on. I'll try to get the number. It's just tiny, but geez, I don't think you can see if you can see there. If I can see just a little bit of the broken key, I can get this in there and pull it out. Absolutely love it, and it's good for little tiny stuff, but grabbing onto a little bolt and twisting it off, or a broken screw. But I use it for removing broken keys out of locks, and I absolutely love it. Had this forever. This is my second one. My dad laughed at me. He's a locksmith. I gave him one of these just for Father's Day or something, and he laughed, saying, "What the heck?" And I said, and he saw the price, and he thought, "Gee whiz." He called me back a week later and says, "Oh my goodness, that was great. It pulls out broken keys like crazy." So he loved it. And then I've got my plug spinner. This is my favorite. They're getting hard to find. If anybody, I think A1 was making them. I'm down to just a few now, but it's my plug spinner. Love it. My picks, my go-to picks are right here. I plasti dip my picks, so you can see that there. So this one's getting little. This is a Rytan. And this is a Peterson. So those are my go-to picks, the Rytan and the Peterson, and I dip these because I like dipping them. So just that's my go-to pick. This is what I use, and that's my everyday. Boom. If I pick it the wrong way, or it would only pick one way, I've got my plug spinner, my rigid pick, or my rigid tension wrench, my springy tension wrench, and my Rytan with a backup is my Peterson. Okay, and of course, that's my everyday carry for picking locks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.